Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing us from Group 4, we will explain the policy brief for policy to reduce the use of plastic bags in Padang. This video was made to fulfill the final semester exam policy analysis course with the lecturer, Mr. Iit Permana, STMT. Before that, introduce me, Azizah Hakim, as moderator, and then my college as Putri Wahyuni and Sakira Miswa. Okay, the introduction and executive summary will be explained by Putri Wahyuni. Putri is welcome.
Okay, thanks to moderator, I will explain the introduction. Plastic waste is one of the problems often faced by the government and needs to be considered and must be quickly overcome because it can threaten people its right to a good and healthy living environment. Where plastic waste is a waste that cannot be decomposed in a short time so that plastic waste will accumulate and pollute the environment. The impact of plastic waste pollution is a very broad and complex, including soil, water, and air pollution, as well as endangering marine life and human. Then, the increase in environmental pollution due to plastic waste is closely related to the increasing use of plastic bags in the community. This is a common concern where the excessive use of plastic bags in daily activity, such as shopping, is one of the main factors in the accumulation of plastic waste and environmental pollution. Plastic bags thrown into the environment can cause harmful pollution impact because the material in plastic waste is difficult to decompose, and plastic waste generation is a big problem for the environment. This is as stated by head of the Padang City Environmental Service that the city of Padang every day around 400 to 600 tons of waste are transported to the landfill TPA, and about 15% of it is plastic waste. Okay, next, to deal with this problem, the government needs to make policies that emphasize effort to reduce and handle plastic waste. One of them is by making a policy to reduce the use of plastic bags in the Padang City community. This is important because the government acts as a representative of the community and has a responsibility for the welfare of the community. Therefore, it is important for the government to formulate policies that specially address this environmental issue. One of them is the policy on reducing the use of plastic bag in Padang City, Truk Padang, Mayor Regulation Number 36 of 2018 concerning controlling the use of plastic shopping bags. Okay, next, for executive summary is based on Padang Maya Regulation Number 36 2018 on controlling the use of plastic shopping bags. However, the implementation of this policy has not been effective, as many shop, business, and communities still use plastic shop bags. The negative impact of plastic waste on environmental pollution and health in the future environment, the abundance of police of plastic waste in Padang City. It is necessary to re-evaluate the plastic bag policy and Padang Maya Regulation Number 36 2018 on controlling the use of plastic shopping bag, for example, by emphasizing section. Some policy recommendations then can be applied, strengthen the regulation of the use of plastic bags, provide reward or prizes for people who implement policies to reduce the use of plastic bags, and the government collaborate with the private sector to support police to reduce the use of plastic bags. Okay, thank you so much. I will return into the moderator.
Okay, thanks to Putri Wahyuni. Next, for the discussion, will be explained by Shakira Miswa. Shakira is welcome.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will explain about limiting the use of plastic bags in the Padang city. Based on the Mayor Regulation Padang number 36 of 2018 concerning controlling the use of plastic shopping bags. This regulation is implementation of Presidential Regulation number 97 of 2017 about the National Strategic Policy, National Strategy Policy on Household Waste Management and Padang City Regional Regulation number 21 of 2012 concerning waste management. Based on Chapter 4 and 5 of the Padang Remaja Regulation on controlling the use of plastic shopping bags, the government as the actor in charge of environment is obliged to establish a reduction policy and elimination of plastic shopping bags. In the Padang Melayu Regulation number 36 of 2018 on controlling the use plastic shopping bags, it is explained that business consisting of shopping centers, modern store, and traditional market are limited in the use plastic shopping bags. The restriction is carried out in a way: A. Not providing plastic shopping bags. B. Using plastic shopping bags that are easily decomposed by natural processes and create the less amount of waste. C. Using non-plastic shopping bags that can be recycled and reused. That was added in other profession in Chapter 7 of Padang Maya Regulation number 36 of 2018 that shopping center or modern store must use plastic shopping bags that meet SNI in full by December 31, 2020. It can be seen that modern stores receive special attention in the regulation. However, the implementation of plastic bag reduction is still lower. There are still many shopping centers that still use plastic bags as a medium for placing shopping items. For example, Pasaraya Padang in its buying and selling transactions still use plastic bags. Then in several supermarkets in Padang such as Buniman, Aceh Mart, Citra Mart, in addition, grocery store and street vendors also use plastic bags to carry shopping items. Next, I will explain about implementation. In Padang City, the regulation on the use plastic shopping bag reduction has not been maximized. Meanwhile, Jakarta has implemented this regulation since 2020 based on data from the Jakarta Environment Agency. After 3 years of implementing the plastic-free Jakarta policy, 90% of shopping centers and supermarkets have complied with this regulation. Meanwhile, completion in traditional market is only 50%. However, in the implementation of the policy to reduce the use of plastic bags in Jakarta, 82% of the use of plastic bags decreased. For example, Alfamart and Indomaret in Jakarta do not use plastic bags, but they already provide bags as shopping bags. The difference in policy between the Jakarta and Padang regions is in the form of sanctions and reward, as well as the role of the community and customer. The following is a comparison or difference between the Jakarta Governor's Regulation and Padang Maya Regulation number 36 of 2018 concerning controlling the use of plastic shopping bags as follows. 1. Sanctions. in Jakarta has several sanctions for filters in the form of written warning, force money of 5 million until 25 million, licensee suspension and license revocation. Whereas in Padang, there are no strict sanctions for seller or community, but for business actors who do not implement this policy, the sanctions are in the form of publication of unfavorable performance assessment to reward. In Jakarta, for business that implement the policy, they receive regional fiscal incentive in the form of tax breaks. Meanwhile, in Padang, for shop that implement the policy, they will receive a publication of a good performance assessment for business actor. 3. Community. In Jakarta, the community has the right to get shopping containers in the form of environmentally friendly shopping bag easily from the manager. Whereas in Padang, the community must return the plastic shopping bags to the collection facility provided by the business. For customer, in Jakarta, incentives are provided to customer according to the policies of each supermarket to encourage and reward customers who bring their own environmentally friendly shopping bags, whereas in Padang, customer do not get incentive. Okay, thank you. I will return it to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Shakira Miswa. Lastly, for recommendation and closing, I will explain it myself. First, about the recommendation. Next. Policy recommendation for the plastic bag waste reduction policy in Padang includes several strategies that can be implemented to reduce the use of plastic bags and increases public awareness in using environmentally friendly shopping bags. Some policy recommendations that can be applied are: 1. Strengthen the regulation on the use of plastic bags. This aims to limit the use of single-use plastic bags to encourage the reduction of plastic waste. Implementation strategy by way of 1. Setting the price of plastic bags by increasing the price of plastic bag. 2. Reducing the use of single-use plastic by limiting the use of single-use plastic to reduce the amount of plastic waste. And number 3, providing sanction to support the implementation of the plastic bag reduction policy. Next, recommendation number 2, provide a reward for people who implement plastic bag use reduction policy. This aims to motivate people to comply with the policy. The implementation strategy by method: 1. Providing attractive prices such as shopping voucher, merchandise or reward point for people who use environmentally friendly plastic bags, bring their own shopping bag. Number 2, collaborating with the private sector to provide prizes and some sponsorship. Recommendation number 3, the government cooperate with the private sector to support the policy of reducing the use of plastic bag. As first, the implementation strategy by way of 1. Cooperate with the private sector in building recycling infrastructure and processing plastic waste. Number 2, providing incentive for the private sector to produce and sell environmentally friendly plastic bags. Number 3, encouraging the private sector to participate in educational and campaign and creative action to reduce plastic waste. Last, about the closing. In the implementation, there are still many shops, businesses, and communities in Padang that still use plastic shopping bags. Therefore, It is necessary to affirm the policy of reducing the use of plastic bag in its implementation, such as strict rules in regulating relaxation for businesses and communities that still use plastic shopping bags in their buying and selling transaction. With a firmer policy for the government, it is hoped that it can provide a deterrent effect and increase awareness for the community that the danger of the impact of plastic waste pollution on the environment. Okay, maybe that all we can say. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.